My name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com. Welcome to Lesson 6, Numbers. Okay, now we come back room.
What's my room number?
301. My room is 302.
Now, I think it's a good time for you to teach me how to say 1 to 10 in Vietnamese.
Yes, number is very simple in Vietnamese language. It's very easy to learn. Number from 1 to 10 is very useful to calculate the time, the date, the day of the week, and the month of the year. I will teach you the number now. 0 is không. 1 is một. 2 is hai. 3 is ba. Now you can say the room number in Vietnamese.
So 301 would be ba không một.
Exactly. You can also say my room number.
302. That would be ba không hai.
Perfect. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7.
So 4, 5, 6, 7 are 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, perfect. 8 is 8. 6 and 8 is lucky number in Vietnamese. These two numbers means to make a fortune. 9 is 9. 10 is 10.
Okay, so 8, 9, 10 is 8, 9, 10.
Yes, and how would you say 3 days?
3 is ba and day is nhai. So to say 3 days should be ba nhai.
Exactly, and singular or plural are the same. Now we set the receptionist. We book room for 7 days. Do you want to try to say again?
Okay, bay nhai.
Yes, that is. How many people are there in your family?
6 people. So how would I say that?
6 người. The new word is người. It's about the people. Người is about object. Can you ask me how many key you have?
Bạn có bao nhiêu chia khóa?
Very good. You remember exactly. Bao nhiêu is how many. Two key is hai cái in this sentence.
Really? What do you use?
I would say hai cái. Cái means something, and you can use hai cái instead of long sentence. Tôi có hai cái.
So I would say tôi Call, hi, Kai, or simply hi, Kai.
Yes, Daddy. You can also arrange time to meet someone is now. Giờ in Vietnamese is 4 o'clock.
Okay, oh, so how would I say 7 o'clock?
You will say 7 giờ. That is 7 o'clock.
That's easy.
Yes. How would you say 8 o'clock?
That would be tam zo.
Yes, Daddy.
So how would I say see you at 8 o'clock?
Hẹn gặp bạn means see you. Hẹn gặp means to see. And you already know bạn means you. Vào lúc means at. So, hẹn gặp bạn vào lúc 8 giờ means see you at 8 o'clock.
Oh, good. Well, I'll see you at the restaurant at 8 or so.
Yes, see you then.
En gap ban vào lúc 8 giờ.